Imagine launching a new product this weekend and having every single visual done in an hour, product photos, homepage banners, and even a storyboard for your first ad, all without Photoshop or a designer. Today we are mastering Nano Banana 2, Google's smartest image model that combines the speed of Nano Banana with the pro quality. Let's start the demo by opening your web browser and navigating directly to gemini.google.com, where all the magic happens. This is the official home for Google's most advanced AI assistants, and you will need to be signed into your Google account to unlock the full potential of these tools for your growing e-commerce business. Now, look for the Tools menu on the sidebar, go ahead and click it, and then select the Create Images option from the list. This step is crucial because it tells Gemini to switch from a text-based mode into a high-powered visual engine capable of interpreting your most complex design requests and creative brand concepts instantly. For too long, manual image editing has been a massive bottleneck for small business owners and creators who just want professional results without the high costs. You usually have to learn complex software or pay a freelancer hundreds of dollars, but today I am showing you how to skip that manual struggle. Trick number 1 is creating studio quality product photos with a simple prompt that recreates a $1,000 lighting setup in seconds. Type in, create a studio product photo of a watch on pure white background with soft diffuse light centered 1:1 aspect ratio, realistic, no extra props. Now for the most exciting feature, Doodle-Based editing, where you can actually draw on your existing images to add new elements manually. Simply click into any generated image to open the edit view, select the drawing tool, and scribble a rough shape of whatever object you want to add for your specific scene right now. After you have made your doodle, go ahead and type a short instruction like, turn this into a polished craft paper gift box with a blue ribbon and realistic, and click submit. This is a game changer because you are no longer just guessing. You are collaborating with the AI by showing it exactly where you want elements to appear in your visuals. Building a brand requires consistency, so let's create a mascot using a prompt for a realistic cartoon cat mascot with gray fur and a blue apron. Once you have your base character, you can use follow-up prompts to place that exact same cat in different scenes, like holding a coffee cup or waving at the camera. If you want to change the entire aesthetic of a photo while keeping the product the same, you can use the brand style transfer feature. Upload a reference mood board image alongside your product photo and prompt the AI to apply the lighting and color palette from the reference to your specific item. Nano Banana 2 now includes specialized style templates which save you massive amounts of time by providing instant visual references. Instead of writing long descriptions, you can simply click on templates like Monochrome, Runway, or Cinematic to set the tone, and then type your subject to get a result that matches your vision perfectly. If you are finding these time-saving tricks helpful, take a quick second to hit that subscribe button for Saas Pro so you never miss a tutorial. We are constantly testing the latest AI tools so you can stay ahead of the curve and grow your business faster without wasting any money or time. Beyond just characters, you can now control the exact aspect ratio of your results to fit any social media platform perfectly without losing quality. Simply take your existing creation and ask Gemini to render it as a 16:9 cinematic wide shot or a 9:16 vertical reel, ensuring your brand visuals look professional everywhere. Character consistency also works for groups, so try uploading photos of different subjects and asking the AI to show them playing together at a park. The model is now advanced enough to recognize specific collars, harnesses, and unique facial features, ensuring that the identity of every single character in your scene remains stable always. For those who need marketing assets, the precise text rendering feature allows you to create detailed infographics and diagrams that are actually readable. You can prompt for a high-quality, flat-lay infographic explaining a complex process, and the AI will generate clean steps, hand-drawn arrows, and accurate labels that look professional. Nano Banana 2 even allows you to translate text found inside an existing image, which is incredible for global brands. Upload any marketing asset with text and ask Gemini to translate it into a different language while maintaining the original design style and placement. This ensures your international campaigns look professional and are easy to understand for everyone. Now take these visuals and use them for your brand or social media to start seeing real results today. You have just replaced hours of manual design work with a single AI tool, and the possibilities for your creative projects are truly endless. So go ahead and start your first professional campaign right now.